Hey everybody, Greg Rice here in the bucket, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Should you be giving your tenants a break on their rent for helping you around the joint, doing stuff, odds and ends, cutting the grass, shoveling the snow, sweeping the hallways, doing turnovers maybe when a tenant leaves, pulling the trash bins out? No. No. Wouldn't do it. Wouldn't suggest it. Wouldn't recommend it. However, we are a management company. We have resources available to us at our disposal, as our clients do. So it's a different scenario from my perspective because we have manpower to do it. If you're a smaller landlord, you got a couple units, a couple houses, you don't have access to handymen, 24/7 like we do, it could be a little bit tougher and more complex of a decision, especially if you're out of state, for example. So my initial response to you is never rely or put your eggs, right? Your little eggs, Easter's coming, I was trying to think of a good analogy here, in that basket when they are the one to pay you. So you're relying on them doubly, not only to pay you, but to perform work now. So they really have the leverage on you because you need them now more than they need you. Simply put. So if the rent's $1,000, you say, all right, take the trash cans out, cut the grass in the spring and summer, shovel the snow in the walk in the winter time, and oh yeah, can you change the filter on the dehumidifier every 6 months, and can you sweep the stairwells every year or two, whatever. All of these things that you let them do, oh, give me $200 off a month. Now you have to check and ensure that it's managed properly and then it's done as promised. So you're really spending time when you're trying to avoid spending time, and you're spending money. So over the years, I've met so many people that were the superintendent, right? They take care of the place, and usually their unit is the dirtiest, the most disgusting, and nothing's done, and oh, I'm gonna get to this, and I was just working on that, but my car and the tire broke and the thing. They always got the stories. They always got the reasons. Don't do it. Don't do it. Everybody should be treated equally. Now you're giving somebody an advantage and a favor and special treatment. Now the other tenants in the building be like, oh, well, what about me? I'll help too. I'll take the trash out for $100 off the rent. You're going to start to create this manifestation and this mutiny against you via jealousy, right? People that are like, oh, I want to get a discount. So people ask us all the time, hey, I can do this, or I got a truck, I can haul debris or scrap. No, thank you. We appreciate it. But the owner has other arrangements. They use Nexus for the majority of the work. We just softly lay them down on that pillow. If you're going to let them do something, don't compensate them for it. So that's my only acquiescence, if that's a word, to this discussion. Sure, they can take the totes out. Sure, they can cut the grass. They can make it their own. They can put flowers. They can plant in the backyard. But it's on their own. You're not giving them anything. This is simply for their quality of life. So that's my only compromise there, is you're not telling them they can't do those things. You're just not compensating them for those things. So keep this in mind. Any questions, any feedback, let us know. Once again, Greg Rice here in the bucket, your property and your discounts, or lack thereof, managed.